Welcome back, beautiful people. If you haven't watched part 1 of this series, make sure to check it out first to understand why garlic is such a miracle worker for your skin. Today, in part 2, we're diving into the how. Exactly how to incorporate garlic into your morning routine for maximum skin benefits, plus 2 more incredible benefits I didn't cover in part 1. I'll also be sharing some amazing before and after results from viewers who've already tried this method. And yes, I'll address the elephant in the room: garlic breath and how to combat it effectively. Let's get into it. Just a quick recap for those who might have missed part 1. We discussed how garlic's powerful compounds fight inflammation, support detoxification, and combat free radicals that cause premature aging. These benefits alone make garlic worth incorporating into your skincare routine. But there's even more to love. Benefit number 4, boosting circulation. Ever notice how your skin glows after exercise? That's increased blood circulation, bringing nutrients and oxygen to your skin cells. Garlic naturally improves blood circulation, which means better nutrient delivery to your skin cells. The result: a natural, healthy glow that no highlighter can replicate. When you chew garlic on an empty stomach, its compounds help dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow throughout your body, including to your skin. This enhanced circulation ensures that your skin cells receive optimal oxygen and nutrients, promoting that coveted lit-from-within glow. Benefit number 5, fighting fungal infections. If you've ever dealt with fungal acne, ringworm, or nail fungus, you know how stubborn these conditions can be. Garlic's potent antifungal properties make it an effective internal treatment. The allicin in garlic inhibits fungal growth from the inside out, helping to clear these conditions naturally. Many conventional treatments only address the surface symptoms, but garlic works from within to target the root cause. Several of my viewers with persistent fungal issues have seen dramatic improvements after incorporating morning garlic into their routines. Now for the practical part. How exactly should you consume garlic for maximum skin benefits? 1. Choose fresh, organic garlic cloves whenever possible. 2. Peel 1 medium-sized clove. 3. Crush it slightly with the back of a knife to activate the allicin. 4. Chew it slowly on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. 5. Follow with a glass of warm water with lemon to help with the taste. Wait at least 30 minutes before eating breakfast. Pro tip: if you absolutely cannot handle the taste or smell, you can swallow small pieces with water like pills, but chewing releases more of the beneficial compounds. I know what you're thinking, but what about garlic breath? Here are my top tips. 1. Chew on fresh mint leaves or parsley afterward. 2. Drink lemon water right after. 3. Brush your teeth, tongue, and use mouthwash. 4. Keep a small bottle of peppermint oil to dab on your tongue. Remember, the morning is the best time for this ritual, since you'll have all day for the smell to dissipate before close social interactions. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what some of the users who tried this reported. I was skeptical, but after 2 weeks, my hormonal acne has calmed down dramatically. My skin is literally glowing. My husband even noticed and asked what new product I'm using. The fungal acne on my forehead that nothing would clear has finally started to disappear. To get the most out of this garlic ritual, start with just 2 to 3 times a week. If you're new to this, be consistent. Results typically appear after 2 to 3 weeks of regular use. Take before and after photos to track your progress. And stay hydrated throughout the day to help your body flush toxins. Consider combining this with a skin-friendly diet for even better results. Sometimes the most powerful skincare doesn't come in fancy packaging with a hefty price tag. Nature provides incredible solutions if we're willing to try them. This simple morning ritual with garlic could be the missing piece in your skincare routine. I hope this two-part series has convinced you to give garlic a try for your skin health. Remember, beautiful skin is a journey, not an overnight transformation. Be patient with the process and consistent with your routine. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural beauty hacks that actually work. Hit that notification bell so you never miss my uploads. Have you tried garlic for skin health before? Drop them in the comments below. Take care of yourselves, beautiful people, and I'll see you in my next video.